What do you do? What do you do? तुम क्या करते हो? I study. I study. मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. एक बात बताओ. What do you study? What do you study? आप क्या पढ़ते हैं? I study English. I study English. मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ता हूँ. Try to understand. Try to understand. समझने की कोशिश करो. Send your location. Send your location. अपनी लोकेशन भेजो. No, it is not like that. No, it is not like that. नहीं ऐसे नहीं है. No, it is okay. No, it is okay. नहीं कोई बात नहीं. See you soon. See you soon. जल्द फिर मिलेंगे. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. जितना जल्दी हो सके. Please come online. Please come online. Please online आ जाओ. He texts me. He texts me. वो मुझे मैसेज करता है. Text me after 10 minutes. Text me after 10 minutes. मुझे 10 मिनट मैसेज करना, बाद मैसेज करना. I saw you online. मैंने तुम्हें ऑनलाइन देखा. I saw you online. Your number was not saved. आपका नंबर सेव नहीं था. Send me her number. मुझे उसका नंबर भेजो. Send me her number. I got your message. I got your message. मुझे आपका मैसेज मिला. Can I say one thing? Can I say one thing? एक बात बोलूं? You type too slow. You type too slow. तुम बहुत स्लो टाइप करते हो, लिखते हो. How many members are there in your family? आपके ख़ानदान में कितने अफराद हैं? Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Let's go tomorrow. Let's go tomorrow. चलो कल जाते हैं. Let's do tomorrow. Let's do tomorrow. चलो कल करते हैं यानी कोई काम. I am busy tomorrow. I am busy tomorrow. मैं कल मसरूफ़ हूँ. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. अपना ख्याल रखना. Do it again. ये दोबारा करो. Do it again. I have to go. I have to go. मुझे जाना है. About what? किस बारे में? About what? What do you do? What to do? What to do? क्या करना? What is that? What is that? वो क्या है? What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? You should play. You should play. तुम्हें खेलना चाहिए. Learn it in mind. Learn it in mind. ये दिल में याद करो. He is ready. He is ready. वो तैयार है. I will find it. I will find it. मैं ये पता लगाऊंगा. I am busy right now. मैं अभी मसरूफ़ हूँ. फ़िलहाल मसरूफ़ हूँ. Tell anything. Tell anything. कुछ भी बताओ. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. सच बताओ. प्यारे शागिर्दों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और अपनी राय कमेंट में लिखें. शुक्रिया.